This is our room, as I said, room 11. Quick room tour. This is holding to that. So that's me there. That's the room. That's the missus. That's the telly. That's the one piece of artwork on the wall. That's the bed. It is what it is. It's an okay hotel. And that's it really. So this is a typical Bristol hotel. Yeah. So I'll record again in the morning so you can have a better view. It's a bit dark now. We're hungry. We've ordered for some kebab. So yeah. Say bye bye to Steamit. Alright, bye bye. Sorry that the camera is a bit shaky, but you know, I'll perfect it as we carry on. Okay then.
Colo mentality.